Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Orlando, Florida at Disney World at the Epcot Park. We're going to check out the China Pavilion today. The China Pavilion, of course, is part of the World Showcase here at Epcot. It's between Norway and Germany. There are 11 countries represented here at the World Showcase, including Mexico, Norway, China, which is where we are today, Germany, Italy, the American Adventure, Japan, Morocco, France, United Kingdom, and Canada. But today we're here to check out China, so let's check it out, shall we? Coming up here on the right is the Lotus House. It's kind of like a snacking place here in China. We saw the menu just as this video started. Also coming up on the right is Good Fortune Gifts and the Joy of Tea. That large Chinese gate opens up to the China Pavilion. It also provides a good photo opportunity. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. Wouldn't it be ironic if this stuff was made in the US? Coming up here on the left is Nine Dragons Restaurant. Savor contemporary Chinese cuisine amid ornate wood carvings, traditional lanterns, and exquisite glass artwork. If you're looking for something a little less formal and a little less expensive than Nine Dragons Restaurant, we have the Lotus Blossom Cafe here. The landscaping, water features, architecture, and Chinese bridges in this pavilion are all top-notch, and obviously Disney, as always, did a fantastic job with the theming here. Coming up here on the left is House of Good Fortune, a rather large shop here at the China Pavilion. It's got better, more upscale merchandise than the gift shop we saw at the beginning of the video. Looks like they only have one entrance open, but we'll go check the place out and see what's inside. As you can see, there's lots of shopping here at the China Pavilion, and all kinds of shopping, from little tchotchke souvenirs all the way up to huge pieces of jade. It's really nice. And also, one of the things that you're not seeing today are Chinese acrobats that usually perform here at the China Pavilion. But just like the other characters here at Disney, you know, Mickey and Minnie and Goofy, they're just not out with the crowds these days, and hopefully they'll be coming back soon. But they do have Chinese acrobats here that perform in the Chinese courtyard here. I'm about to get me some good luck for the rest of this afternoon. A little known fact here at the Chinese Pavilion, it served as a backdrop for the music video of the song Reflection, performed by a then unknown Christina Aguilera, who used to be a Mouseketeer, from the 1998 Disney film Mulan. I like these pandas here, the one on the swing and the two climbing a rope. These handheld fans here are very popular today in the Florida heat and humidity, and they're carried by everyone, men, women, and children. They also make a great souvenir to take home. They fold up into practically nothing in your luggage. Just a little bit more good luck. Now, as I mentioned in other Disney videos, this was my first visit ever to Disney World, and I know that a lot of these doors are either secret doors to exclusive clubs or something like that, or they're just fake doors. I'm not sure which one this one is, but there's doors all around the place, and I'm sure some of them do open up to exclusive clubs like I read on the internet. I'm sure on future visits I'll learn lots more about Disney World. That round building back there is a replica of the Temple of Heaven, which contains the entrance to Reflections of China, a Circle Vision 360-degree movie exploring China's history and scenery, as well as a museum containing several ancient Chinese artifacts. Coming up here are some panda topiaries, a really good photo opportunity. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And that's pretty much it for the China Pavilion today. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. I'm off to the next country. I'm not sure which one it will be. You'll just have to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.